How to sign up FlipaClip account. So FlipaClip does not have a traditional account or login system like other apps, but you can still sign up if you want. So all you have to do is tap on the three dashboard at the top left corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you can see account or settings section available there. Simply tap on it, then tap on the account, and inside account you can see create account or login option available. Since we are signing up, tap on the create account. You can create account using your email and simply entering the password as well, or you can continue with Apple, Google, or Facebook. So here I'm continuing with my Apple account. So now all you have to do is follow the on-screen instructions to create an account. You'll have to enter your first name, then the password, then the last name, and you can simply access your FlipaClip account easily. Now lastly, once you confirm your birth date, then your account will be created successfully. All you have to do is follow the on-screen instructions and simply, if prompted, then enter your Touch ID, Face ID, or passcode. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.